Good afternoon, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you a 2014 Pete 389 factory glider kit day cab today. It's got a 12.7 liter pre-emission Detroit, 13 speed, 295,000 original miles. Really nice, clean Southern truck. It's been advertised with all new rubber. I'm going to show you the interior, exterior, underneath the hood, do a full walk around. I've gotten the engine hot, so you'll see oil pressure and blow by at operating temperature. Here we go. So at operating temperature, you're 35 on the low side. It's on up to 60. Runs really good. Interior's clean. Only negative, I'd say that it's got mismatched seats, but they're both in decent shape. They're just throw a couple new seats in there. I don't think you could argue with the interior condition. Paint on it's spectacular. Love the color combination, that gray and maroon. The Southern truck, there's no rust anywhere. It's got new brakes on it. It's going to have new rubber on it as we sell it. Appreciate you watching. Let me know if you like what you see. Give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.